Ummeli wekhokta uWin Trengove utshela inkantolo ukuthi uneqiniso lokuthi uma ngabe singedluliswa lesinqumo enye inkantolo ingaphuma nesinqumo esivuna uNkqongqoshe uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma.
And I'm not saying that the court might not uphold. I don't know whether there'll be a cross appeal. There might be one. The court might uphold some of the other specific attacks. The only question is whether on this order another court may come to a different conclusion.
Ummeli wenhlangano iLiberty Fighters Network okuyiyona yaphosela inselele lemigomo yelockdown uRekviles uthi ngisho noma ngabe inkantolo ingavuma ukuthi uNkqongqoshe wezokuBusa ngokubambisana nezomdabu asedlulise lesinqumo kodwa uzophinda khale ngaphansi.
Your Lordship's words, although I think the debate between you and Mr. Trengove, they simply won't survive an ultimate rehearing of the matter.
Ijaji laseNkantolo ePhakeme iNorth Gauteng uNorman Davis libe selikhipha isinqumo ngalolu daba.
That judgment will be handed down, the parties will be informed electronically and it will be uploaded in case lines, but until then, judgment is reserved.
Inhlangano iLiberty Fighters Network yanikele enkantolo iyoyiphosela inselele eminye yemigomo yelockdown ngoba ibonakala inyathela amalungelo abantu akumthetho sisekelo kanti inkantolo yafike yabavuna ngelithi uNkqongqoshe uDlamini Zuma akazange enhlobo ahlale phansi ayicwaningisise lemigomo abheke ukuthi awuphazamisi inamanye amalungelo abantu. Inkantolo yathi uNkqongqoshe akanabo ubufakazi obubambekayo obushoyo ukuthi lemigomo ephoselwa inselele inomthelelo ekutheni kwehle isibalo sabahaqwa iCovid-19 yize yena ayethi inhloso yalemigomo ukusindisa impilo yabantu.